So, do you travel for work, or you're traveling maybe for pleasure, but you're maybe visiting somebody before and you want to get a laptop or something and you don't want everybody to see all of your luggage by having to open everything, and then there's your clothes, your underwear, etc. I've got a solution. I used to travel a lot for work, especially in this country. So I used to get in the car and drive places. And I found that was really easy because I could have my normal laptop bag. I drive to a place. Sometimes I get there first thing in the morning and then stay overnight in a hotel and then go back the next day. So then I'd have a second bag with my clothes. And then if I was staying a few days, maybe overnight, the first night, I'd still have two separate bags because I didn't have a luggage allowance, right? Then when I started flying different places, because further travel for work, I hated the part where I'd have to take all my luggage into the office, either on the first day or the last day. And if I opened the bag with my laptop in when I was in the meeting room, because normally I get put into meeting rooms to do my training, sometimes they say, here's the meeting room, we'll send the people in a few minutes, or we'll give you time to get ready. And that way I don't have to open everything and everybody sees everything. But sometimes people could be sitting in the room waiting for me, and I've got a suitcase. I open it up to get my laptop out or my notebooks or whatever, and they see all my clothes, my toiletries and everything else. So I got fed up with all of that, and I thought, no, I need a suitcase. So this is probably my fourth or fifth one I've had, and I have two. They're the same make in two different sizes. So this one is the bigger one, and then I have one that's half this size, and that one, I love them both, and I can travel with them both overnight or this one's more like a few days. So the thing I like about it, I'm just going to put it here, is that at the front, so it's just a nice hard case. It has 4 wheels, and I have the zipper at the top, the front, which has, if I just take this out, you can see I've got my laptop separate, and it has actually quite a few different little pockets and everything, and I put like my insurance papers and all sorts in. And the smaller one also has a zipper inside it to go into the half of the main compartment, which was quite handy. So you could keep maybe your suit jacket or something in there. And then the main compartment, which doesn't have a lot in here, this one has it has a cover for half, and so you have a cover for half, and you've got straps on the other side. So I really like this case. I found it really useful when I travel. It's lightweight, and as I said, I can actually fit a few days worth, and that's including taking extra gadgets so that I can do videos while I'm away. and so, as well as I have usually a client laptop, and my personal work laptop, I have my video camera, my microphones, I have everything else, and that fits in there with a couple of days of clothes. And as I said, I have one that's half the size, which is fantastic for an overnight trip. So if I'm going one day and coming back the next, absolutely perfect for that. And also with room for extra gadget bits as well. So that's good. So I'll put a link underneath for the two suitcases I have if you're interested. And if you have any questions about them, do put them in the comments below. If you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, please do click on that thumbs up. It really does help. And also, if you would like to see more of my videos, do subscribe to the channel. Take care, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.